Hey everyone, it's me, Sammy B, back with another food review. This week I'll be reviewing crispy chicken biscuits from the Pun Chun restaurant. Crispy chicken biscuits. I haven't tried these before. These were a gift. I'm really excited because I like both dragons and crispy chicken biscuits. Also, you can see there's a little picture of a chicken on the front, so that's how you know that it's actually a good product. I'm familiar with the Pun Chun restaurant's products. They're all high quality. There's the crispy beef biscuits and the crispy lamb biscuits, which are also very good. So I'm very excited to be trying the crispy chicken biscuits today. Already opened these. These have an easy tear. Well, the first tear wasn't so easy. The second tear was the easy one. Just gonna read through some of the ingredients here. It's full of things that I really like. We got wheat flour, bean curd. Bean curd is probably my favorite curd. There's sugar, winter melon, maltose, cooking oil, sesame, spices, eggs, and chicken flavoring. So there's not actually any real chickens in here for any vegetarians out there. I know that's important. Okay, I'm just gonna get into it. Gonna give it a go. So this is what the packet they come in. Nice little split packet. You can share it with your friends or your kids. Easily divide it up into 4 so no one's arguing over the chicken biscuits. They're all different shapes. I don't know if you can see that, but it shows that they're really made, probably handmade, made with care, unlike a lot of the biscuits you find these days. I'm just going to jump right in here. I can smell the bean curd. Just going to get into that. Yeah, that's really good. I can definitely taste the chicken, but I can also taste the crispy and the biscuit. Oh yeah. That's in the top, probably the top 3 crispy chicken biscuits I've ever tried. Have another one. Oh, yeah. That's really good. I'd say they're probably an A. Or maybe I'll push that up to an A+. And let's say one of the best crispy chicken biscuits I've ever had, and definitely worth the quality name of the Pun Chun restaurant where they came from. That's good. Okay, well that's my review, guys. I hope you liked it. Click the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. And if you have any questions on what I should review next time, just leave them in the comments. Look back at my old videos and see what I've already reviewed. I don't want to be doing the same thing again. I've done quite a few. Okay, that's it, guys. Until next time, see you later.